Today, I'll walk you through how to change your Bitmoji background and pose on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your Bitmoji so you can express yourself in a fun and unique way. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, updates can vary, but the core features should be similar. Once you have the app open, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your Snap stats and settings. Next, click on your Bitmoji. This will open up the Bitmoji customization options. Here, you can really start to personalize your avatar. Now look for the option labeled Scene. This is where the fun begins. Click on Scene and you'll be presented with a variety of backgrounds to choose from. Take your time to browse through the available options and select the one that best fits your style. Think of it like choosing a backdrop for a photo shoot. Your background sets the mood for your Bitmoji. After you've selected your background, it's time to choose a pose. Click on the Poses option and you'll see a range of poses that your Bitmoji can adopt. Pick the one that best fits your mood or the vibe you want to convey. Whether you're feeling playful or relaxed, there's a pose for every occasion. Once you're satisfied with your selections, make sure to click Save. This final step is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Bitmoji background and pose on Snapchat. Remember, this is a great way to keep your profile fresh and reflect your personality. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.